Hello, hello. You're listening to Weekly AI News with Shaily. I'm Shailendra Kumar, your guide to the latest breakthroughs and trends shaping the world of artificial intelligence and machine learning. Whether you're a data pro or just curious about the AI landscape, I've got insights you'll want to hear. This week, we're diving into some groundbreaking research and industry moves. Think AI that reasons better or not, new ways for machines to learn without forgetting, and AI that runs so long and smoothly it might just take up residence in your data center. Plus, government level AI adoption that's changing the game in public health. Let's get right into it. First up, Apple's deep dive at NeurIPS 2025 shook the foundations of reasoning in AI. Their research focused on frontier large reasoning models, also known as LRMs. You might assume that feeding a model more tokens and asking for longer chains of thought would automatically boost its reasoning power. Well, Apple's team found a surprising twist. Beyond a certain complexity, accuracy doesn't keep climbing, it collapses. Reasoning effort increases up to a point, then poof, it drops off. Interestingly, LRMs beat the standard large language models when tasks are moderately complex, but both stumble badly when challenges get really tough. It's like watching a brain with a memory leak. It tries hard, then gives up halfway. Why does this matter? Because it challenges a core assumption in AI development that simply scaling up or pushing longer reasoning chains solves everything. The bigger lesson: quality beats sheer quantity in reasoning. This could very well change how we architect AI agents for complex planning, from robotics to autonomous systems. Quick food for thought: if more isn't always better, how might we measure effective reasoning steps, and can early stopping heuristics save the day? And speaking of new paradigms, Google DeepMind unveiled something called nested learning. Imagine training your AI like an onion, layers within layers, where each smaller problem nests inside the bigger task. This isn't just a cute metaphor. Nested learning is a fresh approach to continual learning, that elusive holy grail where AI doesn't forget past knowledge while learning new things. Think of it as the AI equivalent of muscle memory plus real time adaptation. Early experiments show it stabilizes learning and helps retain tasks better than traditional fine tuning or replay methods. Though it hasn't fully hit standard benchmarks yet, this could revolutionize longevity in AI models, particularly for robotics and edge AI, where retraining from scratch is a logistical nightmare. So here's a little homework for your neurons. What could lifelong learning AI mean for your favorite gadget someday adapting to you without forgetting last year's tricks? Now, let's switch gears to production ready AI that doesn't need babysitting. AWS launched Frontier Agents, autonomous AI agents designed to operate for hours, even days, without human intervention. These agents are scalable, stateful, and optimized for heavyweight tasks like enterprise automation and customer support workflows. It's the practical evolution from chatbots to persistent digital coworkers that actually get things done. No coffee breaks needed. This move by AWS signals that cloud providers are now fully leaning into agentic AI that acts autonomously over long horizons, proactively managing workflow complexity. Here's a playful thought. If these agents run for days straight, do they dream of electric sheep or just logs of event data? Meanwhile, Hewlett Packard Enterprise is uniting AI and networking with a bold vision for self driving operations. By consolidating HPE Aruba and Juniper networking under an AI native microservices framework, they're embedding intelligence right into the infrastructure layer. Their large experience model ingests billions of data points, Zoom calls, Teams meetings, you name it, to enable anomaly detection, root cause analysis, and autonomous fixes. Think of it like an autopilot for your company's entire network. This sets a new precedent in AI native infrastructure, not just sprinkling AI on top, but making AI the very fabric that runs enterprise IT. So, when your Wi Fi mysteriously improves next time, maybe thank an AI agent quietly doing its network yoga. Finally, a big win for AI adoption in the public sector. The US Department of Health and Human Services selected C3 AI's agentic AI platform as their enterprise backbone. This platform will underpin national health programs with secure, scalable AI workflows. It's a milestone demonstrating growing trust in AI to help steer critical regulated domains, and not just pilot projects, but full scale mission critical deployments. If you think about it, health is where AI's potential meets the highest stakes: privacy, ethics, lives. The HHS adopting agentic AI sends a clear message. AI is ready to play a trusted role beyond the lab. What's your take? As AI seeps deeper into public welfare, how do we balance innovation with accountability? Looking at the big picture, these stories converge on three major trends. One, moving from reactive AI, think chatbots that answer, to agentic AI that autonomously manages complex, evolving tasks. Two, embedding AI deeply into infrastructure, making it AI native instead of an add on. Three, recognizing the limits of scaling and pushing forward with new learning paradigms like nested learning that might change the future of lifelong AI systems. Among these, if I had to pick the development with the most lasting impact, it's Google DeepMind's nested learning. Paradigm shifts in how machines learn continuously might just be the foundation that supports all the other advances and the AI systems of tomorrow. As we wrap up, remember this: the greatest challenge in reasoning is not having the right answer, but knowing when to stop searching. If you enjoyed this deep dive, connect with me on YouTube, Twitter, LinkedIn, and Medium. Just search Shailendra Kumar and you'll find plenty of AI insights and conversations. Don't forget to subscribe so you never miss an episode. Share this podcast with fellow AI enthusiasts and drop your thoughts in the comments or DMs. I love hearing what you think. The future of AI is a conversation after all. Thanks for joining me on Weekly AI News with Shaily, where AI meets insight every week.